The first court appearance of a suspect arrested in a 25-year-old murder case was postponed this morning. The delay came after his court-appointed defense lawyer took issue with courtroom procedures. Fox 12's Tyler Dumont was at the hearing and is outside Clark County Court to explain.
This morning's hearing started like most others here in Clark County. The suspect, 57-year-old Richard Knapp, walked into court to face a judge. He was dressed in an anti-suicide smock. The judge then read through the charges he faces, including first and second-degree murder for the killing of 26-year-old Audrey Hayline in Vancouver in 1994. The charges brought after what investigators said yesterday was a major breakthrough in DNA that linked Knapp to the crime. Defense lawyer Ed Dunkerley was then appointed by the judge to represent Knapp, but Dunkerley immediately posed an objection, specifically arguing against media filming and photographing Knapp in shackles. It is common procedure for suspects in custody to be shackled in Clark County courtrooms, particularly during first appearances. It has also long been practice for the media to photograph those defendants during courtroom appearances, which are open to the public. But Dunkerley claimed there is recent case law regarding shackling in the courtroom that should allow a deviation from those long-standing procedures. He did not specifically cite what that case law is, but the judge agreed to have a hearing to listen to his arguments. That hearing has now been set for 3 o'clock this afternoon. Now, after court, Dunkerley briskly walked away from reporters saying, quote, "I never talked to the press." Knapp also had family members in the courtroom, and they, too, declined to talk to the press. Meanwhile, the victim's family now lives out of town, and they were not in the courtroom. Reporting outside Clark County Court, Tyler Dumont, Fox 12 Oregon.